Here's what you need to know about what is 802.1x. This is an exam topic in Domain 4, Network Security. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. 802.1x is an IEEE standard for port-based network access control. It prevents unauthorized devices from connecting to a wired or wireless network until they authenticate. 802.1x uses three components: the supplicant, authenticator, and authentication server, to verify every device before granting network access. Key concept: three-component model. The supplicant is the client device requesting access. The authenticator is the switch or wireless AP that enforces access control. The authentication server, usually Radius, validates credentials and tells the authenticator whether to allow or deny access. Key concept: port-based access control. When a device connects to a switch port or joins Wi-Fi, the port starts in an unauthorized state. Only authentication traffic is allowed through. After successful authentication, the port opens fully and data can flow. Key concept: EAP Authentication Methods. 802.1x uses EAP, Extensible Authentication Protocol, to carry credentials. Common EAP types include EAP-TLS, uses certificates, PEAP, uses username password inside a TLS tunnel, and EAP-FAST, Cisco proprietary. Key concept: wired and wireless use. 802.1x works on both wired Ethernet switches and Wi-Fi. In enterprise wireless networks, it replaces shared PSK passwords with per-user authentication, ensuring each employee logs in with unique credentials. Let's look at the full breakdown. Supplicant, client device, laptop, phone, runs 802.1x software agent, submits credentials for authentication. Authenticator, switch port or wireless AP, blocks traffic until auth succeeds, forwards EAP messages to Radius. Auth server, Radius server, validates credentials versus directory returns access accept or access reject. Here's a real-world example. A hospital connects a new laptop to a secure ward switch port. 802.1x immediately places the port in unauthorized state. The laptop's 802.1x supplicant sends EAP-TLS credentials, a certificate issued by the hospital's CA. The switch forwards this to the Radius server, which validates the certificate against Active Directory. On success, the port opens and the laptop gets network access. A personal device without a valid certificate is rejected. Quick recap before you go. 1. 802.1x provides port-based access control for wired and wireless networks. 2. Three components: supplicant, client, authenticator, switch AP, auth server, Radius. 3. Port stays unauthorized until authentication succeeds. Only EAP traffic passes. 4. EAP carries credentials. Common types: EAP-TLS, PEAP, EAP-FAST. 5. Replaces shared Wi-Fi passwords with per-user authentication in enterprise networks. That's what is 802.1x covered. Exam tip: 802.1x =, port-based NAC. The authenticator does not validate credentials itself. It just forwards EAP messages to the Radius server. EAP-TLS uses certificates, most secure. PEAP uses a username password inside a TLS tunnel, most common. Know these EAP types. Next up, what is a VPN? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.